This is the Bose Professional FreeSpace 360 environmental loudspeaker. A full-range loudspeaker designed to blend with landscaping for in-ground or above-ground applications, such as shopping malls, outdoor restaurants, resorts, and theme parks. It features 360-degree horizontal coverage and frequency range down to 60 Hz. The 360p loudspeaker is engineered to deliver clear, consistent sound across the listening area. The cabinet acts as an acoustic diffuser, directing mid- and high-frequency sound out towards the listeners, and the base works as a tuned, multi-chambered ported enclosure. The FreeSpace 360 loudspeaker is built around a 4.5-inch HVC environmental full-range driver that withstands weather. It can be configured for 70 or 100-volt settings, and it's designed to withstand a variety of harsh weather conditions, including salt air environments and temperature extremes of -40 up to 158 degrees Fahrenheit, all tested and backed by a 5-year limited warranty. Plus, you can simplify installation with a range of FreeSpace amplifiers to fit nearly any situation. The FreeSpace 360 loudspeaker. Get the acoustic presence and depth of indoor speakers with the durability you need outdoors. For product specs, accessory information, and more helpful videos, visit pro.bose.com.